Hey, what's up guys? This is John Spier with Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today I'm going to kind of show you guys how to do 1¼ pipe hand bending. Should be pretty easy, but it's just really for like a really small guy like myself. There's a way to do it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that way. If you guys like it, awesome. If you hate it, sorry you wasted your time on this video. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. This is going to be your 1¼ bender. It's got the 2 section on it. So it's going to have lockdown and then start off mode. Okay, I'm going to show you guys where to place your hands. So definitely just keep an eye out how I do it. When you start, you're going to be in half down mode, start off mode. Have your hands up here, and the first tug is going to be the hardest. But you're going to want to get up. That. Once you get to about 30-degree angle, you're going to want to switch it up to the finish mode. And once again, you'll get the top, get the most leverage. And done like this, straddle it. So you can keep your balance. There you go. And just so you guys see, there's no crinkles on either of those bends. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, my name is John Spier with Warhammer. Hope you guys have a great day.